Menteri Ramba Khubor Konrad K. Sangma haka arpau tarik jemang, ulashin benta haka School Program Articulation, Resilience and Kindness, Spark Summit Arhajar Arpusan, belapenlong ha ususutham Auditorium Shillong. Haka ni kesngi ladon lang Menteri Ketenat Puli Puthi Rakam E. Sangma, UMLA Kekarkuta Rupert M. Momen, Sekretari Ketenat Puli Puthi Swapnil Tembe, Badu Director of School Education and Literacy, Ba Bante Lang Khashandi, Harangkat ki wei de ki officer, kiri orang ba, kinong hikai bat ki Samla Puli. Habakran hakani kesngi Menteri Rang ba uloong, kidon shibo nagi Paidbah nong shong shnong ki ba perkhan, baka sorkar ka train tang na kabanta ki scheme bat ki program. Menteri Rang ba ulo yathu, baki program bapher hala ki jong ki benta, kia sno lang na kabanta ki jing mentoy jong ka jela. Ula berrap lu da kabaong ki Paidbah nong shong shnong jokari India ki ba hakarta khatsan haduk khat khandai snem ki bon haduk kata ka Meghalaya ka dega jela ka ba bon tam ki Samla ki ba hapo arpo snem ka ba lakan jo shaka sapu khandai persen na ka jing bon briu kani ka jela ka don ru bon ba ki khlung khna ki ba hapo kerta sau snem bat ka de ka kamram jong kani ka pateng ban sandur ya kalawe jong ki ula pen kan mau. Ula ong wat laki dan shibun ki jing Henry de hang ni kilat kelenti babon jat ki play Lyngba ka Spark ke Early Childhood Development Program Empower MGMP Yes Meghalaya bat ki program hakatnat sports bat ki wei. Ula yathu ka de ka jing trang bat jing ang nur jung u ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya ka jela ka ba pernai wat la de ban jam persha bon ba ki jing bat ki ding pen kiang ban pen urlong ya ka ni ka jing ang nur. Ula benrap ru daka baong ka jela Meghalaya ka deka wei naki kartu ka ni ka jela ki ba pai khmat sha ka jinglong jingman ha ka jing embryo. Ha ka ni ka sngi ka sorkar kala sam ki tablet shi ki Samla Puli ban pendan kam na ka benta ki jing mento jong ki. Ha ba shim benta ha ki program ha ka ni ka sngi ki Khynnah Skul ki la penpau ya ka jing kemen ka ba kraw. Namar ba Lyngba ka Spark ki la yo jing mento shibon. Namar ba ka yarap ki ban mi shakman da ka jing Shlur. Ban Kren Paidbah ban ai men sim ru eki kumno ban ya khoni ki jing bakia kendo ha ka jing jong ki ya kini ki program la penya da ka avenues ka seng ka bala pentebet ban ai jing hikai bat jing nang jing tep ha ki babon ki liang na lor ki kot pule ha ki Khynnah Skul bat ki Samla Pule ki yo na ki Skul.
And at the end of education, if we are not able to ensure that perhaps we are failing in education, to make that happen, NEP also stresses a lot on this. We should empower. What do we mean by empower? Empowerment is basically equipping our students with resources where they can achieve whatever they want to achieve. So that is one of the visions of the government under our leadership of our Chief Minister, our Minister.
Our talents, our courageous must go beyond the boundary of our state, our reason, at the end of the day, tomorrow and the day after. We will be the pillar of the state, of the region and of the country. We may have to compete at the global level, and we have to build the nation, and we have to take our step forward.
Chief Minister, all the dignitaries present here, my fellow students and respectful teachers. The Spark program was held at our school last year, and I did not think it would have such an impact on me personally because I thought it would just be one of those programs.
Was mistake. To be kind to myself, I start learning how to introduce myself. I start sharing my thought, even if it just a little. From Spark, I received some special courage, not
to express themselves, to even say even in their own language. It just hurts us as teachers. But thank you so much, sir, for this program. And we have seen the explanation of the program, the presentation of the program. We really look forward, especially in the rural areas. And I've seen our own students. They have really come up to where they were and to what they are now. For those classes 8, 9, and 10 last year who had participated in the program.
It starts where we are. We own our voice and our pain and our power. We are the spark. We don't give up. Turn our light into hope in the dark. No more hiding. Our heads are untied. No turning back. We are ready to die. Second to none. We fight 'cause we can. We are the future. We're part of the plan. We will lead the way to a better place. The spark, it starts where we are. We own our voice and our pain and our power. We are the spark. We don't give up. Turn our light into hope in the dark.
We would like to felicitate the guest of honor, the Education Minister of Meghalaya, Samla. Our next guest on the list is Sir Rupert Momin. Sir Rupert.
And these different programs that we have, these dots, is what we then connect to then create the big picture that we want to bring in front of us and the vision that we have for the state as we move forward. 49% of our population is below 19. 49%. So you can say almost 50% of the population of Meghalaya is below the age of 20. And this group, you can see out here the age group of 45 and above. There are hardly about 5 or 6 lakh people who are above 45 in Meghalaya. That includes me also. So therefore, this is really what the challenge is, but this is also where the opportunity lies. And hence, programs like Spark, programs like early childhood development, programs like adolescents program, the Empower program that we have, programs like NGNP, programs like Yes Meghalaya, focusing on sports, building up one of the largest sports infrastructures in the country. These are all investments we are making because of this chart that we see in front of us. Now, when I talk about that, I also want to share with you, I hope we'll all be on track with me here. For us, we realized that to be able to really take advantage of this demographic dividend, as we call it, is to ensure that we invest in our youth at every stage of their life. We can't start to think about them when they are 15 years old already. The planning has to start right from the point when they are in their mother's womb. The brain is developing, the body is developing during that time. And therefore, Meghalaya is one of the few states which focuses on what we call the life cycle approach. And this chart shows you what we're talking about. We have a separate program in terms of pregnancy. I don't know how many of you know this, but Meghalaya has had one of the highest maternal mortality rates. One of the highest when I took over in 2018. We were over 230 plus deaths every lakh population. which is way above the national average, which means every time a mother was bringing life into this world, 230 mothers were dying. And that is unacceptable. And so we started a program called Chief Minister's Safe Motherhood Program. And today, based on this program, we are providing different kind of support for pregnant mothers throughout the state. And you'll be happy to know that in 4 years' time, since we started this program, we have been able to reduce the maternal mortality by 50%, the highest drop in the country. And today, the Prime Minister's office and different departments in the health department in the center are studying this program that we have started, which has helped us to reduce the maternal mortality, increase, of course, the overall health indicators for pregnant mothers. One of the best states in the country. It's not going to happen just like that. We will have to work and invest at every level. We have to apply our minds to be able to make that difference and make that vision come true. I talk about $10 billion all the time, and a lot of people don't understand what I'm trying to say. And they say, what is 10 billion? 10 billion may be a number for many people. I'm not going to show the table and chart to you today. But this 10 billion that we talk about, it's about 84,000 crores, 85,000 crores plus of the economy. Every sector has been mapped. We know exactly how much tourism is going to add to this GDP of ours. And for tourism to add the GDP, what we have to do and investments we have to make, we have complete breakup of that. And when we make those investments in tourism sector, how many jobs will be created? I have all the breakup of that, and for every sector, for every region that is there. When we talk of IT, how IT is going to move forward. Just now our chairperson spoke about IT, and last week I opened up an IT company. I inaugurated one company which is going to recruit about 250 people from a state of Meghalaya, because they found that the talent that they required is available in Meghalaya. And this is a Hyderabad-based company, but the promoters are from US. Like that, there are many companies today coming in, and we are providing the infrastructure, giving the incentives, providing all the support in terms of policy and funding, so that these companies can come and set up base here to be able to then provide the jobs to our youngsters, which will then add to this $10 billion vision that we have. And hence all of this is connected. And of course, after you're out of school and you have finished your empower, what next? How do we then provide the opportunity to our youth for the next level that they have to go to? And that's where programs like CM Elevate, youth enterprise and entrepreneurship programs comes up. And of course, in the rural areas, there are many programs that are happening in terms of what we do for Prime, for Focus, the housing scheme, so on and so forth. Right at the center of how we will take the adolescents group, which I mentioned, I'd shown to you, forward. And we realize that we have to guide, train, and nurture our youth in the right manner if we wish to achieve the goals that we have. And I can tell you, we are going to be very aggressive in how we move forward. We are determined to take our state forward. Yes, we have challenges, we have a lot of difficulties, and things don't happen in a day. Please remember that. Whatever work we do, whatever actions we take, it takes time for it to yield the results. Today, the investment and the work and the efforts that have been put in by Avenues and their team, by our director, by our education minister, and all the officials, the investment put in you, the results will be seen for decades to come. Because you are now a much more confident person, much more prepared to face the different challenges of life. better prepared to enter the workforce, be more productive in the workforce, be more creative, be more confident. And while you move forward, we are there with you to be walking with you at every step. I'm not saying that we can change everything, and neither am I saying that we can make everything, great. We're not. I don't have a magic wand, but the programs, the policies, and the focus with which we're moving, I'm very confident that we are in a much better place than what we were before. But in order for us to be able to move even further, we need everybody to work together. And I think Spark has taught you that. Spark has taught you to respect each other, to work as a team, to ensure that never look down on anybody. And I'll tell you, if every single youth in our state will start thinking in this positive way and the spark will come into each one of them, I'll tell you, we are unstoppable. And this is my true belief.
Students, you are here to clap. Come on. Next school is Maharam Government Higher Secondary School, Shri D.G. Nongsi. Maharam Government Higher Secondary School, Shri D.G. Nongsi. And the student name is Miss Devi Bapansuk Lingdok. She is Devi Bapansuk Lingdok. May I have a representative from Maharam Government High Secondary School? Anyone from Maharam? Oh, there she is. Next school is Mount Haupera Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. So on the stage right now is Maharam Government High Secondary School. Our next school is Mount Haupera Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. We have Srimati Wantimon Mawa, and the student name is Medarisha Langrin. And the student name is Medarisha Langrin. She is a student of class 11. Our next school is Government Girls Higher Secondary School, West Jantia Hills. Government Girls Higher Secondary School, West Jantia Hills. Dr. Waisa Sumer. Dr. Y. The next school is Government Girls Higher Secondary School. So we have Dr. Waisa Sumer on stage with Ms. Yuta Okoshna. Our next school is from St. Mary's Mazzarello Higher Secondary School. St. Mary's Mazzarello Higher Secondary School. Here to collect a representative from there. Sister Teresa is not here with us. And Miss Basilica Lakyam. Miss Basilica Lakyam, a student from St. Mary's Mazzarello Higher Secondary School. Next school is Sip Singh Government Higher Secondary School, West Khasi Hills. Srimati Disilin Hujan. We have a sir here who is representing the school. Ma'am Hujan is not here with us. Miss Narihuns Imle will be the student who will be collecting the awards. Sip Singh Government Higher Secondary School. Our next school is from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong. St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong. I call upon a representative. We don't have Sister Sonia Thakur here, but we have a teacher who is representing the school, Ms. Gwyneth Yarkharik Tubru. Gwyneth Yarkharik Tubru is the name of the student.